Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another interesting video on Little's Law YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see about an introduction to DevOps. So, I have named this as DevOps Explained, and I'm sure this video is not going to disappoint you. So, in case if you're looking for a training, or in case if you want to move to DevOps, please do follow the playlist of videos and you will definitely have a good experience and you'll have a lot of things to learn. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share the video with your friends. So this video, welcome to DevOps Explained. So in this video, we are going to see about DevOps Explained, which will tell you what is DevOps, and we are going to see about the benefits of DevOps and the DevOps application lifecycle, and then we'll see the lifecycle explained with each and every step or every lifecycle of DevOps in detail, and we will see the DevOps culture and we will see the detailed way of the DevOps culture. So with no further ado, let's go to the video. So the first part is DevOps Explained. So what is DevOps? So DevOps is a way of working that combines development, which means coding and any other development related activities, and the operations in a seamless and efficient manner. So what does it mean, seamless and efficient? So which will have a lesser time but a quality work. So that's seamless and efficient. And this DevOps aims to deliver value to customers through people, process, and technologies. These are the three pillars of DevOps, which is the people, process, and technology. So how does DevOps benefit teams? DevOps break down the barriers between different roles such as development, IT operations, quality engineering, and security, and encourages them to work together and improve their products. So by embracing a DevOps culture and using DevOps practices and tools, the teams can meet customer demands better, build more trustworthy applications, and achieve their objectives faster. So that's the benefit of DevOps. So when we see the bigger picture of the benefit or how does DevOps matters, is DevOps is a way of working that makes teams more efficient, effective, and satisfied by combining culture, practices, and tools. So this also helps teams achieve their business objectives, such as speeding up the product delivery. Since both the development and operations are done by the same team, done by the same people, followed by the same process, the product delivery will be very quick and it will be speed up. And responding to market and competitive changes, since the product delivery is very quick, the product can respond to the market and competitive changes. Say for example, if there is some quick change or some quick upgrade that has to be implemented to the system, this is possible in a DevOps architecture and a DevOps culture. And it also ensures that the system performance and dependability, and it reduces the time to fix any issues because everything is handled by the same team and by the same set of people. So that's the benefit of DevOps. So moving on to the application lifecycle. So DevOps and the application stages. So DevOps affects the application stages from planning, developing, delivering, and finally to the operating mode. So each stage depends on other stages, and the stages are not limited to certain roles, because in a real DevOps culture, each role participates in each stage to a particular degree. So now we will see in detail about the life cycle. So we have four steps or the four processes, which is the plan, develop, deliver, and operate. So when we talk about the planning, so the planning phase is where the DevOps team brainstorm, specify, and document the features and capabilities of the applications and the systems they are building. So they monitor the progress at different levels of detail, from individual tasks to multiple product portfolios. Since they use agile methods such as backlogs, bug tracking, Scrum, Kanban boards, and dashboards to plan with flexibility and transparency, it's very easy and smooth process for them to adapt to the DevOps. And then when it comes to the develops, the develop phase covers all aspects of coding, which involves writing, testing, reviewing, and integrating code by the team members, as well as creating build artifacts that can be deployed into different environments, because DevOps teams aim to innovate quickly without compromising their quality, the stability, and the productivity. And to achieve all of these, they use efficient tools, they automate routine and manual steps, and iterate in small chunks through automated testing and continuous integration. So now we have planned, we have developed. What about the delivery, the deliverables? So delivery is the process of deploying the applications into production environments in a consistent and reliable way. So the deliver phase also involves deploying and configuring the fully governed foundational infrastructure that support those environments. Because in the delivery phase, the teams establish a release management process with clear manual approval stages, and they also set automated gates that move application between stages until they are ready for customers. So by automating all these processes, which makes them scalable, repeatable, and they are controlled. So this way, teams who practice DevOps can deliver frequently with ease, confidence, and peace of mind, which is one of the topmost benefit which we have talked during the benefits of the DevOps, which is DevOps can deliver frequently with ease, confidence, and peace of mind. And then when it comes to the last step of the life cycle, which is the operating or the operation phase or the operate phase involves maintaining, monitoring, and troubleshooting applications in production environments. So in adapting DevOps practices, teams work to ensure system reliability, high availability, and aim for zero downtime. So this is how the life cycle of the DevOps works. So when we move to the next step, which is the DevOps culture. So DevOps culture is not just about using tools and techniques to improve efficiency and quality, but it's also about changing the mindset and behavior of the people in the organization. The challenge of creating a DevOps culture, which involves transforming the way people work and cooperate. But when organizations embrace a DevOps culture, they can foster a high performance culture among their teams. So how do we achieve that? Let's see them in detail. So the first part of it is the collaboration, which involves visibility and alignment, because collaboration between teams is a key aspect of a healthy DevOps culture, and this starts with visibility, where different teams such as development and IT operations share their DevOps processes, their priorities, and concerns with each other. And because of this, the teams must also plan to work together and align on goals and measures of success as they relate to the business. When we move on to the second part, which is the shifts in scope and accountability. So as the teams align, they take ownership and become involved in additional life cycle phases. And it's not just the one central to their roles. For example, developers become accountable not only to the innovation and quality established in the development phase, but also to the performance and stability their changes bring in the operate phase. At the same time, IT operators ensure to include governance, security, and compliance in the plan and development phase. And next, when it comes to the shorter release cycles, DevOps teams remain agile by releasing software in short cycles. So shorter release cycles makes the planning and risk management easier since the progress is incremental, which also reduces the impact on system stability. Because of this, the shortening of the release cycle is possible, which allows the organizations to adapt and react to evolving customer needs and competitive pressure. And finally, when it comes to continuous learning, which is a vital part of any person who is in the information technology era or in the field, continuous learning. So, by these high performing DevOps teams establish a growth mindset and they fail fast and incorporate learnings into their process by continually improving, increasing customer satisfaction, and accelerating innovation and market adaptability. So, DevOps is a journey, so there is always room to grow. So, this is how the DevOps works. And with this, we come to a conclusion for this introduction video on how DevOps works. So far, we saw about the benefits of DevOps, we saw how DevOps works, and we saw about the life cycle of DevOps, and then the DevOps culture. So with that, we come to an end. I believe this video will not disappoint you. So I have covered the entire topic on the introduction. Until I meet you in another interesting video, it's bye bye from Asin Shanmugam and Little Slaw.